This is the fastest and most effective way to replace your current reality with the one that you want. Keep watching. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you resonate with this message, make sure to like this video and subscribe. If you would like to work together, that information's in the description box below, as well as links to my other YouTube channels. Okay, so the fastest way to release a reality that you don't like, that you don't want, a condition in your life or in your body, the fastest way to release that and to attract a new outcome, a new reality, is actually to let it be okay. When you accept whatever it is, you allow it to pass through, because the unwanted things, they're not a match to who you truly are. They're a match to your resistance. And of course, we're always going to have contrasts and challenges to grow and expand. But when we're consistently manifesting things we don't want, or we're stuck in a situation that's not changing, the only reason that that's happening is that you are holding onto it. It is not holding onto you. So these unwanted, unideal situations, reflections in your life or in your body, whatever it is, are not a match to who you truly are. They are simply passing through. They're temporary snapshots, they're temporary reflections that are just passing through. They are not here to stay. They do not want to stay. It is only in your reality still because you are holding on to it through your attention, through trying to fix it, trying to change it. You've got your focus on it. It cannot leave because of your attention to it. You give it power. You create that reality. You keep it alive. You keep it active in your vibration. So it's appearing in your reality. That's why there's that paradox. If you let it go, or if you accept it, if you truly let it be okay, then the unwanted thing will disappear and you'll manifest what you want. But if you're hating it, you're just consistently noticing it, reacting, you're using it as your excuse to be less of who you truly are, to feel bad, then it remains there. Otherwise, if you were to accept it, if you were to truly just let it be, and you actually were more indifferent to it, you made no big deal about it, it would pass through. All of these unwanted things are just passing through. All your problems are just passing through. They are temporary. This entire reality, existence, this universe is all moving. Everything is energy. Everything around you right now, it's all energy, and it is all vibrating at a frequency. And so everything is in motion. Everything is moving. Even your emotions, the way that you feel, emotions are energy in motion. It's even with your thoughts, okay? This is what I always say, your thoughts, your negative thoughts, think about like your negative thoughts and your negative emotions, and all emotions, they're all passing through. Nothing's like stuck and stagnant. Everything is moving in motion. When you have a negative thought, if you don't hold on to it and hate it and freak out and try to get rid of it or anything like that, if you just let it be, it will pass through. The same thing happens with emotions. If you have a really, a negative emotion and you just relax into it, you allow it to be there. You don't struggle against it. You don't try to force it to go away, and you just let it be. It passes. It does not stay. Same thing with exterior conditions in your life. If you don't freak out, if you don't keep reacting, if you don't keep hating them, like feeding them with attention of like, I hate this, I want to change this, I don't like this, all that kind of energy, it will and must go. It'll pass right through, and a new outcome, a new reality will replace it. It will be replaced no matter what. It is only when you continue to pick it up and give it your attention, you hate it, you want to change it, all these different things. You keep practicing the story of it. You keep reaffirming, this is what has happened. This has been my issue. This has been a problem in my life for the longest time. All of that. It's not actually true. The past and the future exist simultaneously in the now moment. There is only the now moment. Even with things and experiences that you have had in your past, and you use them, which seems so valid. You use them as the reason why things are the way they are, or you are the way that you are. It isn't true. Even if it is something that you actually very, vividly lived in your past, it's not that that is affecting you. It's not that the past is still affecting you. It is only that you are choosing it now. You're including it now, and that is the only reason why it is still affecting you. You could just stop including it. Stop including the past, and everything that you're living that's unwanted, that you think is tied to that, will fall away. It will pass right through, and you will attract something completely new. You're no longer limiting yourself, and you're letting it go. You're giving yourself permission to let go of this focus, of this unwanted thing, of using it as your excuse to not be all of you, to not be in your power. You need to give yourself permission to let it go. You and your happiness must come first. Then you will watch as your reality shifts around you. Well, basically not even that. You shift to a new version of your world and your life, where things are completely new and different, because you stopped picking up the old stuff. You stopped including it. You're the creator. All thoughts exist, all beliefs exist, all potentials exist, all actions, all experiences exist right here. All versions of you exist right here and now, simultaneously. The past you still exists. The future you exists. There's all different versions of that, and it exists right now. What will you choose? So accept what you don't like, what you don't want, let it be. Be more indifferent to it, just a temporary reflection, and let it go. Focus forward, choose, make a new choice. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope that it has helped you. If it did, let me know by commenting down below, giving this video a like, and subscribing. If you would like to work together, that information's in the description box below. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.